4.0. The first steps towards Industry 4.0 have already become reality. It all starts when mass production components become a unique item, with their purpose predefined at the outset. Because even before manufacturing, the component exists in virtual reality, including all information required for its production. But all the other necessary components also have to be mapped into the virtual world. They also get names and addresses, and thus an identity, so that they know where and when they are needed in the production line or process. Equipped in this way, they are able to negotiate their way through the digital factory for kilometers before reaching their destination. Arriving at the processing station, the workpiece is identified and the machine calls up in real time all information needed for processing. After each station, the work gets checked automatically, either optically or by using other measurements. Deviations from target specifications can thereby be discovered on the spot and faults can be eliminated quickly. If a machine needs replenishment or maintenance, it issues an appropriate request before shortages or breakdowns are experienced. The amount of resources used is immediately recorded in the system and stocks get updated. During processing, all relevant data for the product is stored in its own digital product memory. This means that every stage of production can be traced precisely. In the factory of the future, machines and workpieces will even communicate directly with each other and make autonomous decisions about the next production step, comprising a system that is decentralized, efficient, and flexible. For this, so-called cyber-physical systems